Welcome everyone. Let me show you a few methods that can be really helpful when you need to parse data into separate columns or you need to combine data into a single cell. Here are a few lines of data that I have written as example. You may notice that in a few lines the delimiter is space while in others it is comma. You can use the built-in method of parsing, by selecting the data then go to Data tab. Identify the text to columns option. In the new menu that opens, select delimitation as the task that needs to be accomplished. Click Next and select delimitation methods such as in this case, data has been separated by spaces or comma. Select these options, click Next, then select the columns in which you need your parsed data. Hit OK and your data has been parsed. Click on the pop-up banner for more useful Excel tips. My preference is to use functions. Text split function is useful to get this done. Type in the function, select the cell with your data and then type delimiter. In this case delimiter is space, so type double comma space double comma. But notice that for other delimiters you will have to edit the function slightly. Visit my channel for more interesting videos. For comma as delimiter, type double comma then press double comma again. Your data will be parsed automatically. Sometimes, you also need to combine data into a single cell. One method could be to type equals to then select the cell type and symbol followed by delimiter of your choice and double commas and then select the next cell. This is a rather difficult way, since for each cell you will have to repeat the process. For multiple cells it is difficult. Let's see a useful function for this task. Text join function is useful here for concatenating data into single cell very quickly. Type in text join, type in the delimiter and double commas, then select the cells which you need to combine together. You will have to change the delimiter to fit your requirement whenever required. While all these techniques and functions come in handy, later versions of Excel have made our lives relatively easy. You can just type the way you want your data to split as one set and then press Ctrl+E and Excel parses the data automatically for you. This method will only apply if the cells have the same amount of data. As you can notice here that the numeric data has not been parsed in the same manner as the text data. So this shortcut only works for the same type of data. You only need to type once for Excel to pick on how you want your data separated. These are all the data parsing and joining methods that I know. Suggest other methods in comments. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more.